Hey guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Did you guys hear that? Sounds like the cops. Sounds kind of weird. Sounds like the cops are here. Hold on one second. It's definitely the police, but it's not. They said YouTube. It's like the YouTube police are here. I don't know, super weird, but the YouTube police just came knocking. Yep, it's the YouTube cops. They're coming after me. Oh God, I'm trying to get out of here. Hold on. Oh. Yep, YouTube cops are after me. They sent me an email. Oh yeah, here we go. Trying to get through here. Hold on. They almost got me. Trying to get out of here. They're still after me. Hold on. They keep yelling, YouTube police. I told them to bring a search warrant. Apparently they got it. Yeah, YouTube police got me. I'm on my way to YouTube jail. Gonna be there for like 2 weeks, guys. Knew they were gonna get me eventually, but YouTube police caught me. I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. So yes, the YouTube police finally caught up to me. I ended up getting a community strike a while back. One strike's no big deal, but I got the second strike on a video and they put me in timeout for 2 weeks. Couldn't post anything, couldn't do anything. So for 2 weeks I sat in timeout, but I'm back. So while I was in timeout, I started posting more on the Medical Gear Outfitters YouTube page. That is directly for our business, kind of reviewing first aid kits, supplies and stuff like that we have over at Medical Gear Outfitters. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, go over there and subscribe to that channel too. That way if something does happen and I disappear as Skinny Medic on YouTube, at least you can stay connected with Medical Gear Outfitters through that YouTube channel. A couple things you guys may have missed while I was in timeout was we added new hats to the shop and we added a new kit from North American Rescue to Medical Gear Outfitters. This kit here is made by North American Rescue. This is their Eagle Eye Fact. I really like it, and I'm going to show you one of the reasons why we picked it up and started carrying it here at Medical Gear Outfitters. So you're able to open it up. You could just pull down here if you want to pull really strong. It will molly onto your backpack, plate carrier, vest, whatever belt you want to molly it into. It'll molly in there. Comes with a cat tourniquet, Gen 7 cat tourniquet, not from China. Uh-oh. Comes with a pair of large gloves. Comes with gauze. Now we sell it with gauze, combat gauze, or Celox Rapid. 4-inch pressure bandage. And hyphen chest seals. Now why we picked this pouch up was because of this panel right here. So you can have it mollied in to your plate carrier, pull the red tab, and all of those supplies that are now on the floor would be attached inside this panel to make it easier to throw to a buddy or just simply get off your plate carrier, sit on the ground to start using. So this is the Eagle Eye Fact, like I said, a new kit that we're carrying at Medical Gear Outfitters. You can get it with compressed gauze, combat gauze, or Celox Rapid. Another project that we're working on that I'm gonna post a video real soon is this new pouch from VanQuest. It's a new sling style pouch here that you could use for your EDC items, a nice med kit, something like that, but we're gonna do a full review on this very soon. So it goes without saying, thank you guys so much for the support here on the Skinny Medic YouTube channel, but go over to the Medical Gear Outfitters, hit the subscribe button there, just in case the YouTube police come again, and I get put in timeout again. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.